So here's the paint booth set up in the kitchen, and preparation for spraying these cabinets. So welcome back, everybody. So we're about ready to prime all of these cabinet bodies, the outsides. And the client is thrilled to get the cabinets turned white again, or to turn them white, like the crown that I installed 2 days ago. So we do fine finish carpentry work too. So this is all going to be done in a Dover white, and it's kind of like a very light cream color. So there we go. There's the job. And then when we go into the garage, we have set up a booth here where then we're going to be spraying all of the cabinet faces. So everybody, till next time, thanks for looking. Need cabinets done? Give us a call.